Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Sally Maurice. I'm a qualified trainer for Becky Mother and Child Foundation in UK. I am teaching the basic of computing to people that want to learn about computer science and the essential of computing. And today I'm teaching Microsoft Office Word. So this is a recorded video, and you can see it whenever you want. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, I'm gonna use some information on the internet, so I'm pressing this icon on my computer. I hope you see my screen. It says screen is shared. And I'm going to Google and type in whatever I'm looking for. So what is a computer? And I choose the best web address that I like or article that I like. I went previously on this one before starting for preparation for this lesson, and I like it. So I'm gonna go back on this one. As you see, it's highlighted in purple, means you visited it already. So I'm gonna click on this and take some information from here to allow our lesson on Microsoft Word to start. So I like this part. What is a computer? And I'm gonna take some other information as long as I teach Microsoft Office. So I go back on the tabs in my computer, in my desktop, in my screen. So you can either choose the Windows Start button, which is on the left hand side of your screen at the bottom of the left hand side. You click on it, then you choose Microsoft Word. It should be on the device Microsoft Office. It is on the device Microsoft Office. I have 2013 version. I choose it and I look for Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, which is here. When you click on it, you see the template that you can use. I recommend you to go for the blank document so you can type and amend it and modify it as you want. So you click on the first template, which is the blank document. If you have already downloaded Word, you shouldn't go on the Windows Start button, but you can see it among your icons pinned in your bar at the bottom of your screen if you already used Microsoft Word before. Okay, so I'm gonna paste the story that I copied. I do Control V or right click on the mouse, then you do paste. So this is what I've copied. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You may already know that you can use the computer to type documents, send emails, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create a spreadsheet, presentation, and even videos. Some of this information are related to Word because Word is a processor that allows you to write documents and share it with other people, send it by email, or use it for presentation, for your company presentation. Sometimes you mainly use PowerPoint presentations, but you can write essays, you can write business letters, you can write resume, you can write reports, you can write articles on Word, and it's mainly used for academic purposes or any professional purposes for work as well. So you can type any document that you need to type. And I'm going to explain you all the basic rules of Word. Yeah, so I'm going to modify this paragraph and start formatting the page. Okay, the first thing that you need to know is that Microsoft Word has tabs. So if you can see File, Home, Insert, Design, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View, they're all tabs. And each tab has a ribbon. A ribbon is this rectangular bar under each tab. And each ribbon has a set of options. So for example, inside insert tab, there is a ribbon which has pages, group options, tables options, illustrations options, app options, media options, links options, comments options, header and footer options, and text options. These options are other, let's say, bottom, other, let's say, options basically. They are formatting rules that you can apply to your document. So for example, if you want to color all the paragraph that we pasted before, you select the paragraph. So you click on the left of your mouse or left of your, if you have your keyboard, you don't have a mouse, you have a rectangular thing that you can press, a rectangular shape thing that you can press. You see on the left bottom corner, and you select with the right hand, you push your fingers to where you want to stop the selection. So I selected it, and now I can go to home and change it, put it bold. So you click on bold, into font. This is another tab, is another ribbon from the tab home. So I'm inside font groups, and the font groups has the text type. So I usually choose Calibri. I like the style. You can use Times New Roman. Times New Roman is very common. Many professional documents need Times New Roman. Then you have the size. Recommended size is 12. You can make it bold. You can make it italics. You can make it underlined. Choose the first one. You can color it. You can color the paragraph. Or you can color the words of the paragraph. You don't know. Color it. No color. Need to select it, sorry. Select it and color it. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to black as recommended default color. I'm gonna increase it because I can read. I'm gonna put 14. Yeah, you can hear 14 or 16 as well. Or you can zoom the page if you don't want to, if you don't have to increase the size of your document because it's a professional document. So you put 12 as a size, but you go at the bottom here, the bottom right, and increase it to 120. Okay, now we have this text. I have this type of symbols that I don't know. So I'm removing them. Okay, I need to select this option here, this P. Okay, that's why I had the string symbols. Okay, I'm gonna de-underline the paragraph. Don't need it. No. Okay. Okay, so okay, I taught you how to change font here. You recommend that Times New Roman. Times New Roman, you find it in under T. They are in alphabetic order. So you choose Times New Roman, you go on T. Or Comic Sans, you go on C. Or Calibre, you go on C. So I'm going to look for Times New Roman. So I need to look for all the fonts with starting with T in the whole alphabetic order. I choose Times New Roman. So size should be 12, we said. Color black. Background usually white, but if it is for a fun thing or fun purpose, you can color it. Then you can choose where to align it. If you go on the paragraph options inside the ribbon, you can put it on the left. Usually it's on the left, but you can center it or put it on the right alignation. You can make a bullet point, so numbered bullets. So bullet points, we can say, let's go back on that page. Let's see what we have, what information that we have. Okay, what is a computer? What type of computer we have? Watch the video. We have hardware or software. Before we talk about different types of computer, let's talk about two things of computer have in common: hardware and software. So hardware is this. Let's copy and paste it here. And software Control C to copy after you have highlighted it, and you place yourself where you want to copy it, paste it, and you press Control and you tap V once. Control V. Control is the last keyboard, the last key on your keyboard. On the left is at the bottom, so the left bottom left corner. You see CTRL, which means control. Okay, this font is too big. I'm gonna highlight it and put the size 12. And I'm gonna change the font as well. This is Lucida at the right moment. I'm gonna use the same as the other one, so Times New Roman. And I'm gonna change the color to plain black. If you don't want to do all these steps, you can easily select the format that you like, which is the first paragraph. Then you click format painter inside the groups of clipboard. You click format painter and select the other paragraph that you want to change as the first paragraph. So all the format that I did before, so font and size and color, automatically is changed into the second paragraph because I did format painter. Okay, so I put back the bullet points. They can also be numbering bullets, numbering points, numbering as in to create a numbering list. Okay, I prefer this one. I prefer using the numbers. So let's go back. Let's go back to take other information. So we have a computer as a hardware and a software. The hardware is the outside part that you see, the thing that you can touch, basically the case, the keyboard, the screen. The software is everything inside that allows you to create documents, send emails, or using any other app, calculator, painter, the paint that you can design, that you can use to design your pictures or clip or posters. Any other apps or software that you use inside your computer is also software. Okay. Everything you do on your computer will rely on both hardware and software. For example, right now you may view this as the web browser software. Yeah, exactly. Internet is a software. The web browser is a software. And using your mouse is the hardware, your mouse, because you can touch it to click from page to page. As you learn about different types of computers, ask yourself about the difference in their hardware. Okay, what are the different types of computers? What are the different types of computers? Let's copy this part. When most people hear the word computer, they think of a personal computer such as desktop or laptop. However, the computers come in many shapes and sizes. and they perform many different functions in our daily lives. When you withdraw cash from an ATM, scan groceries at the store, or use calculator, you're using a type of computer. Yes, so these are all types of computers. You have desktop, laptop, tablets, and yeah, we have these three here. You can put these three. Okay, let's type. I'm typing now on the Word document different types. Different types of computers. We have desktop, laptop, tablet. Let's put also the machines. The machines. All the working machines. Examples. Washing machines. We say washing machines. Dishwasher. Others in the any other computers, labs in hospitals, so cash, ATM, this ATM, cash machine, okay, different types of computers, desktops, laptops, tablets, and any other working machines. Working washing machine, ATM, and cash machine. Okay, so now I have created this list again, and the next thing I'm gonna do is creating a table. So I'm gonna go on the next tab, which is insert, and you can insert cover page, table, pictures, screenshots, shapes, smart hat, like project management charts, list, processes, cycles, hierarchies. If you study project management or under management course, you can choose this, any of this. Or you can insert, still under insert, you can insert header, footer, page number, text box, date and time. We can put date and let's try to put date and time of today. 6th of March 2021. Let's put it in there. You can choose the format that you like. I like the second one. So I do okay. And it should be at the top or at the bottom. It should be, we don't see it here. Okay, let's put it again. Okay, let's move on. I don't know where it is. Okay, let's move on. We go on. Let's put the cover. Let's put the cover page before putting the table. So I click cover page under the group pages, and I choose this one. I like this one here. So I tap the here. All the options are here. You choose the one you like. I mean, you follow the options, the format of the cover page. So here, put 2021 document title. Let's put Microsoft Word lesson. Document subtitle, Microsoft Word lesson, Becky, mother, child. What is this? Let me put order. company name, Becky Modern Japanese can go here. Becky Modern Child Company. Microsoft Teaching. Okay. Okay, I have the cover page. The cover page is the first page of the document, just to is a design so people see that before all the type, before the actual document. So the part that you typed and is presentation style. So it's just to present the document. So let's go back to the second page, which is the part that we typed already. So we have a computer is an electronic device only places information or data. The first paragraph. The second paragraph is a numbering list, 1 and 2, hardware and software. The third paragraph is not a numbering list, different types of computers, so desktops, laptops, and other work machines. We have the date appeared finally. The date appeared, we can put it at the bottom of the page so it doesn't disturb us. Let's keep typing. I'm pressing enter to go down. So now I'm moving up with the arrows again, the 4 arrows that you have at the bottom right corner. I'm pressing the up arrow, down arrow. Okay, let's go back to the table, insert the table. We can do what is a computer, client server. I need to find out information. So other types of computer. I can put this inside other types of computer, smartphones, wearables, game console, TVs. Okay, smartphone, wearables, game consoles. Okay, a table is a table that is a set of cells. Is a set of cells that allow you to put data inside. Smartphones, TVs, wearables are like watches that you use for jogging. Wearable. And I need another column. So to insert a column, you place yourself at the last column and you type the right part of your mouse. Then you do insert. You go to insert with your finger, you go down to your reach insert. Then you insert a column where to the left, to the right, we are going to the right. So you click that. What was the last? Game consoles. Game consoles. Game consoles. Okay, let's describe what each of them are. Smartphone, many cell phones can do a lot of things computers can do, including browsing internet and playing games. They are called smartphones. So let's do copy and paste. I'm selecting the paragraph or definition of each of them. Then okay, insert home. I'm gonna change the size on the font to 12 on side the Times New Romans. So TVs, it was bigger than what I wanted, so I changed it again. So let's move to the internet back. Okay, wearables. Technology is a general term of group of devices, including fitness trackers, the one I use to jog, smart watches that are designed to be worn, usually in your wrist, throughout the day. These devices are often called wearables. Okay, to change this, I'm using this other option. I'm gonna select the first cell, click Format Painter, and select. You have to be quick before it goes out, before the select, before the option fades. So, and you select the second paragraph, the second cell. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Oh, this is variable. So this goes here. This goes here. I basically pushed the paragraph to the third cell. So you select it all, and with your mouse, you click on the left and you push it where you want it to be. Then the last one, I have two more. A game console is a specialized type of computer that is used for playing video games on TV, like PlayStation. TV, the last one. My TV now include application or app that let you access various types of online content. Okay, TV, video. Okay. So now we have the table. We should have, okay, if you click on the table, anywhere on the table once, you have two new tabs coming out, design and layout. So if you go to design, you can choose the style you want to apply on your table. Which one? I like this one. And if you go on layout, it's not layout, or you can choose where you position the text in alignment. You need to try them all. You can choose the width and the height of your cell and table. You can insert rows and columns to the right, to the left, or down or above. You can insert rows above or below, and insert columns to the left or to the right. You can split cells. Let's try split. Split cell. Number of columns 3. Number of rows 1. So it does. Yeah, it basically changed the format. I'll go back, I don't like it. So let's go on insert. Now let's go on the two new tabs again. Design. And change the color, the shading. And change the shading. Or you can change the border. I put border orange. So the orange. Let's move on. We've done home. We've done insert. You can insert a picture. Let's insert a picture. Insert a picture from Google. So you need to go on Google and save a picture. Let's put computer. No, this is not Google. Images. Want the images, you choose a computer you like. So I'll save this one. I'll save this one. No, this not like this. I'm gonna right click on it. I don't want to right click on it and to save image as computer into my pictures. and do save. Then when you go on document on board, you place yourself where you want to save the picture. You do picture, click picture on the insert, and you go, you see this window opening. So you go on insert picture, see this window opening, you click where the picture is saved, so pictures folder, and you click the picture that you want to paste, that is saved already, that you downloaded already. So this is this one, this is it. You can increase, if you go on the corners, you can increase and decrease it, or position it to the right or to the center. You need to position it down. To position it down, you press on it and you move your mouse down until you reach the place. You need to press it on the at the center of the image and you move it. Yeah. Or you can leave it on the side, like the right, on top of the left. This is it. You tap on the left, whatever the picture is. Then what else can we insert? A shape, and choose the shape you want. If you need to design something, I say this is for project managers. If you need to write the hierarchy for an essay, for the project management essay, will list to a process, a flow of a process. Go here. You can put header and footer. Let's put the header. You put header is the heading of your document. Microsoft Word lesson. As a footer, you can put page numbers or any other thing that you want to write. So as a footer, usually people put page numbers, but you can write any other thing. You can choose the first two if you want to write something, or the last two if you want to put page number. Another option to put page numbers is if you click page number and you say bottom. Yeah. Let me show you again. Insert page number, bottom of the page. And I chose the fourth one. Okay. What else can we insert? The text box. We did date and time, signature, equation. This is our complex one. This is for math or symbol. If you want to type any currency symbol out here or any other symbol like sigma. These are all math symbol, but you can find euros and pounds in here. For more symbols, if you're looking for dollars, you need to search for it. Yeah, here. Design is the same one as putting the cover page. So you design the page and change the color. You design. So can you see if I click on this, if I press on this, it automatically change the color of my table and everything that was inside the page. So I can change. Let's see if it change cover page. Yeah, it changes the text of the cover page as well. Let's choose this. It changes the text of the cover page and the color of the cover page, the background color, and the table colors or the borders color. Let's change color again. Let's put this blue. Yeah. These are all the effects that you want to apply to your own page. So you can put the border page border. Page color as well. You choose this light one. We're going with white. And I prefer putting no borders. So I click none, then okay. Page layout. Page layout is sets the orientation. in the landscape, if you want to have it a bigger size, if you want an horizontal document, or it is default to portrait if you want a vertical document. Usually the margin are already set, but you can choose normal or narrow. I go for normal every time. The size is always set to A4, which is the normal default one that it is commonly used. Okay, what else can I teach you? Let's go to references. This is a new tab, references. And here you can put table of contents. There is a way to put automatic table of contents, which is the first two. So I choose the first one. Let's say okay. Table of contents, let's see. It says no, okay, we don't have add-ins. That's why it doesn't give me any table of contents. So let me go back to home, put add-in one. And we choose the title. So what is a computer? Add-ins are all the titles for each part of the document. Then here, another heading one, types. Then we go on the table. Now we don't have any other thing. Let's say picture. Picture here. Picture. This is normal font. So I selected and I click adding one, so it becomes adding one, which is blue. And if you click on this type of adding, they're already formatted, so the size and the font and the color is already chosen. Usually if you go for adding one, it gives you size 16 and calibre. So now I should have the table of contents ready. Update, click update. If you click update, it comes out with all the title that you put and the page of each title, of each paragraph of that title. Yeah. What else? Let's go back on the references. I wanted to put a citation. So for if you write an essay, you can do a reference as well, an automatic way. This is the last thing I'm going to teach today. Okay. Let's do, if you go on the group citation and bibliography, you can put inside citation, add new source. This is the same one as putting a reference manually. So you put website. If you have looked on something on the website, language, you put English, United Kingdom. Then bibliography fields, you choose the style before going here, so I need to cancel. You choose the style. I use Harvard, so I'll go for Harvard. And bibliography, this is the way you want the bibliography. So let's do inside citation, website, author. I'm inventing this. John. Name of web page. www.motherandchildfoundation.co.uk, the charity I work for. Here, 2020. He assessed. When did he assess it? 2021. Month assessed. Let's put February. They assessed. Let's put 12 in randomly. Oh, sorry. The URL goes here. The URL goes here. Web page. The address. And here goes the name of the website. So Becky, mother, and child. And click OK. It should be at the bottom. Shouldn't be. Yeah. Okay, let me put this cut. Yeah. We didn't type. So this is the reference, the citation. If you want the reference at the bottom of your own page as well, there was a way that I don't remember. Table figo, I don't remember it right now. Bibliography is bibliography. Yeah, if you click bibliography, it should give you the references at the bottom of your page, at the last page of your document, as last page of your document. That citation goes where the paragraph is, which is not in this document because it's just an example. Okay, last. You can put, you need to check your word count is at the bottom. You have 312 words. You can insert word counts as well. So let me do this quickly. I have word counts on view, and you need to go on view. If you view, sorry, review. If you go on review, you have word count. Okay, close. You can see the word count, and you can see spelling and grammar. Click on it. They automatically check your document for spelling and error. Yeah, let's save it. If you want to save it, you go on File, the first tab, the in blue, and you do Save As in your computer, in your documents. You select the folder you want. I choose documents every time. The title is Microsoft Word as lesson, which is the correct one. I'm gonna save it on my desktop. No, sorry, I said documents. And I click Save. Yeah, you can visit the same document every time, or you can send it by email. You can format it, you can change it, you can read it because it's saved in your computer. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. I stop the sharing. Thank you for listening today. I hope it was helpful, and now you can write your own documents in Word. Thank you. Bye.